In this video, I'm going to provide a brief introduction to artificial intelligence. What exactly is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence leverages computers and machines to mimic the problem-solving and decision-making capabilities of the human mind. The keyword here, or keywords I should say, is problem-solving and decision-making that is really trying to mimic what humans can do. They're systems or machines that mimic human intelligence to perform tasks and can iteratively improve themselves based on the information that they collect. So they can actually adapt based on the information that they're gathering. Artificial intelligence includes machines that actually respond to stimulation consistent with traditional responses from humans, given the human capacity for contemplation, judgment, and intention. So as humans, we respond to things in our environment. We respond to cues that we see or that we hear. And so AI is, in a sense, it has that same kind of response in terms of information that's being gathered and actually thinking about that information and making decisions based on that information. Artificial intelligence, in terms of software systems, actually makes decisions that normally require a human level of expertise, and they help people anticipate problems or deal with issues as they come up. When we're thinking about artificial intelligence, there really are three qualities of artificial intelligence. This includes intentionality, intelligence, as well as adaptability. We're going to talk about each one of these when it comes to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence algorithms are designed to make decisions, often using real-time data. They are unlike passive machines that are capable only of mechanical or predetermined responses. Using sensors, digital data, or remote inputs, they combine information from a variety of different sources. They then analyze that data and that material instantly, and they actually are able to act on the insights derived from that data. As such, they are designed by humans with intentionality and reach conclusions based on their instant analysis. Algorithms that are rooted in artificial intelligence, they're able to get data from a number of different sources. They can actually analyze that data and they can actually act upon the data that they've derived. So they're intentional. This is one of the qualities of artificial intelligence. An example of the quality of intentionality in artificial intelligence is autonomous vehicles. So vehicles that are driverless, that are just driving around autonomously. These vehicles are equipped with all different kinds of sensors, from light detection to ranging sensors, as well as remote sensors that gather information from the vehicle's surroundings. The vehicle uses light from a radar to see objects in front of and around it to make instantaneous decisions regarding the presence of objects, distances, and whether the car is about to actually hit something. Onboard computers combine this information with sensor data to determine whether there are any dangerous conditions, the vehicle needs to shift lanes, or if it should slow down or stop completely. All of that material has to be analyzed instantly to avoid crashes and keep the vehicle in the proper lane. So it's taking all of this data and it's instantly analyzing that data to make decisions. This is an example of intentionality when it comes to artificial intelligence. The second quality of AI is intelligence. So artificial intelligence often is undertaken in combination with what we refer to as machine learning as well as data analytics. And the resulting combination enables intelligent decision making. Machine learning takes data and looks for underlying trends. If it spots something that is relevant for a practical problem, software designers can take that knowledge and use it with data analytics to actually understand very specific issues. Making these kinds of decisions increasingly falls on computer programmers, who are the ones that actually try to build these intelligent algorithms that compile decisions based on a number of different considerations. An example of the quality of intelligence in artificial intelligence is AI systems for managing school enrollments. These systems compile information on neighborhood location, desired schools, substantive interests, and other factors. And based on this information that's collected, it assigns students to particular schools based on that material. As long as there's little contentiousness or disagreement regarding that basic criteria, these systems work intelligently and effectively. So they're looking for trends in data and identifying those trends in order to help make decisions. The last quality that marks artificial intelligence systems is the ability to actually learn and actually adapt as they compile information and make decisions. Effective artificial intelligence has to adjust as circumstances or conditions shift. This may involve alterations in financial situations. There could be changes in road conditions. There could be environmental considerations or even military considerations. Artificial intelligence has to integrate all of these changes in its algorithms, and it has to make decisions on how to adapt to all of these new possibilities. An example of adaptability in artificial intelligence goes back to the autonomous car example. So autonomous cars can use machine-to-machine communications to alert other cars on the road about upcoming congestion. Maybe there's upcoming potholes, highway construction, other possible traffic impediments. And these vehicles can take advantage of the experience of other vehicles on the road without any human involvement. And they take that entire experience of the other cars, and that is then immediately and fully transferred to other similar vehicles, and those vehicles are then able to adapt based on the information that is fed to them. So adaptability is another key quality of artificial intelligence.